Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to submit a labor condition application, or LCA, using the Foreign Labor Application Gateway, known as FLAG. This process is essential for employers sponsoring foreign workers for specific visas, like the H-1B. We will cover the key steps to ensure your submission is accurate and compliant with Department of Labor regulations, protecting both employers and employees throughout the process. Before you even log into the FLAG system, several crucial preparatory steps are needed. First, you must accurately determine the prevailing wage for the position in the intended geographic area. Next, meticulously complete Form ETA 9035, or its electronic version, ETA 9035E, providing all required employer and job-specific information. Remember to post a notice of filing at the worksite for a minimum of 10 days before submission. Once your preparations are complete, it is time to navigate the FLAG system. Begin by accessing the official Foreign Labor Application Gateway website and signing into your account. You will then select the specific visa classification for which you are filing, such as H-1B. Carefully review all entered information on Form ETA 9035E for accuracy before electronically submitting it to the Department of Labor. After submitting your LCA, the Department of Labor generally processes applications within 7 to 10 business days. Once certified, it is vital to maintain a public access file containing the certified LCA and all supporting documentation. Additionally, remember your ongoing compliance responsibilities. You must notify the Department of Labor of any material changes to the employment conditions, such as a change in job site or a significant salary adjustment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.